क्या होता है ना, ये सब चीज़ों से आप बस भाग सकते हो, प्रॉब्लम से आप उनसे बच नहीं सकते। प्रॉब्लम से बचने के लिए उनसे लड़ना पड़ता है। सो बी अ वॉरियर, नॉट अ फॉरवर्ड। बस यही सोचिए कि खुद को कैसे हर सिचुएशन से आप बाहर निकाल सकते हो, हर सिचुएशन से कोई एक सीख ले सकते हो जो आपको लाइफ टाइम याद रहेगी, जो आपको लाइफ टाइम हेल्पफुल रहेगी। The next issue is comparison, loneliness, fear of losing people, getting attached to soon. So it is quite relatable with the third point, I would say. Where do we compare? Where do we get compared? So basically, you know what happens when we see someone else which is more beautiful, which is, you know, like more up to date than us, we start comparing ourselves. यार मैं इससे अच्छी तो दिख रही हूँ, यार मैं इतनी मोटी क्यों हूँ, मैं इसके जैसे क्यों नहीं दिख सकती, why I can't dress like this, why I can't be there, why I can't get a job like that, why I can't be like that, why my body cannot be like that. So that's the thing where, you know, we start comparing ourselves. So how to overcome that feeling of comparison? Because when someone else compares you to someone, you obviously feel negative. That's a human nature. But what you have to think is you are enough. However you are, whatever you are, wherever you are enough. You are enough for yourself, you are enough for your family. What you can do is not just be like her, be like that boy, be at that job. You can just be the best version of yourself. So discover yourself and don't lack in self-love. The next half of this question or this problem, I would say, is loneliness. You know what happens when we start feeling negative? We don't like talking to people. We like sitting in a corner in a dark room and, you know, thinking, like overthinking kind of. और कोई कोई लोग ऐसे भी होते हैं जो चार लोगों में उठते बैठते हैं, हंसते गाते हैं, नाचते हैं, बट अंदर से वो बहुत ज़्यादा नेगेटिव होते हैं एंड यू डोंट इवन नो दैट कि दिस पर्सन इज गोइंग थ्रू सो मच ऑफ नेगेटिविटी एंड डिप्रेशन. सो ये सब चीज़ों की वजह से क्या होता है ना कि हमें लोगों से बात करने का मन नहीं करता है. जब हमें नेगेटिविटी फील होता है, जब हमें डिप्रेस्ड काइंड ऑफ फील होता है, तो वी डोंट लाइक टॉकिंग टू पीपल. वी स्टार्ट, you know, cutting ourselves from people and we start talking to ours. Like at some point people don't even talk to themselves. I mean, okay, so at some point of time people don't even talk to themselves and they just sit there, they just overthink situations. So at this point of time, सबसे पहले तो we should start talking to ourselves. We should start questioning कि why am I thinking like this? Why am I getting these thoughts? Am I not enough? Am I not doing enough? Why am I feeling this? What shall I do to not feel this? You know yourself better. Before starting this video, I was just going to tell, but I don't know how I forgot that. I'm not a psychologist. I'm not a therapist. I'm not a psychiatrist. I'm just a normal person, just a normal human being like you. I've also been through this. Like, genuinely, I am still being through this. But I'm overcoming my negative thoughts, my issues. And I would just like to help someone indirectly or directly, I don't know. Yeah. So, you should always start questioning yourself, and you know yourself better rather than anyone else, rather than any therapist, any psychologist. You should question yourself. You should start exploring yourself. When you look in, like जब आप खुद में झाँकोगे, जब आप खुद को ढूंढोगे, जब आप खुद को और ज़्यादा improve करने की कोशिश करोगे ना, you will be the happiest person on this earth, believe me. So to overcome the loneliness, you should start talking to yourselves and then later start talking to your parents and your close friends and share your problems with them. That's it. Fear of losing people. So as I said before, how to overcome this fear? You should start talking. You should learn to talk about your issues, about the things that hurts you the most. You should just go and talk to the person that you're afraid to lose. You should go and talk to them. Hey, Baba, I'm facing this issue. This thing is hurting me of yours. Don't do this, or how can you stop doing this? If they care, they will stop it. If they don't, what matters the most is you. At the end, who is going to be with you is you. So, make that point bold. What matters is you. So no matter what person you are with today, no matter how good they are for you, no matter how much you love them, so what matters the most is how much effort they are going to give into you. If they are not giving enough, you should just find your own way alone. You will meet so many beautiful people in life you don't even know. So you should just overcome that fear by talking to your partner, by talking to that person, by talking to that friend, or to any people, or to any person that you are afraid to lose. You should just talk to them about the issues, and you should just come up with some solutions. That's okay. The last question is very important. That is how to know who is a fake friend and how to deal with the negative vibes that we get from them. So rather than talking who is a fake friend, we shall first talk who is a real friend. So real friends are very rare, and they are quite simple. They are not so complicated to know. They are not any mischievous person. They are very simple. They will just love you enough. They will love you unconditionally. They will correct you always whenever you go wrong, without thinking about your relationship, that how will you feel, how will things go when they correct you, or they tell you that you are not doing this right, you have to do it like this is wrong. So they will not care कि बाद में आपका रिलेशन कैसे होगा. What they will care is अभी आप कैसे हो, अभी आप कैसे सुधरोगे. That's it. So real friends are the one who think about you. Real friends are the one who will always keep your memories safe, who will always cherish your memories. जिसको आप अगर 5 साल बाद भी मिलो ना, तो वही बॉन्ड रहेगा, और अंदर से आपको जब एक कनेक्शन फील होता है ना, that is the real friend. So fake friends, what they do is they will use you in every manner, every damn manner. I mean, they will use you for anything. And once their need is done, they will be done with you. So you have to constantly be alert. You have to keep checking on people. If that person is giving back to you, if that person is giving that much into you, and somewhere if you feel कि नहीं इसमें कुछ तो गड़बड़ है दया, so you should go and talk to that person. You should go and talk about your problems. And if that person hesitates, if that person hesitates to come up with any solutions, or if that person is like तो मेरे बारे में ये सोचता है, go, I don't want to talk to you, that is a fake friend, my dude. So fake friends will always give you excuses when you need them, will always try to run away from you when you are in a need, when you are in a constant need of help. They will run away from you. So that's when you would judge, or you would know who the real and who the fake friend is. And how to deal with that negativity of a fake friend is just one way. You have to leave them. You have to leave that toxic person. That's it. Because जितना आप एक नेगेटिव बंदे के साथ रहोगे, जितना आप उसकी नेगेटिव बातें सुनोगे, जितना आप उसके साथ वक्त बिताओगे, उतना ही आप नेगेटिवली इन्फ्लुएंस होगे उस पर्सन से, which is not good for your mental health and your physical health also. So yeah, I think that's enough, because इतनी भी ज्ञानी नहीं हूँ मैं कि और ज़्यादा ज्ञान दूँ आपको. So that's it. The bottom line is just keep in the mind that what matters is you. You are enough. You should never lack in self-love. And yes, communication is the key, my friend. You should always communicate to people about your problems. Despite of your introvert or your extrovert, you like talking to people, you don't like talking to people, you like sharing your problems, you are hesitating sharing your problems. No, that doesn't matter. When it comes to your mental health, don't think of it. Think of yourself, which is going to be beneficial in the long term. And yeah, one more suggestion I would like to give you is anxiety आती है. अगर आपको in case anxiety, panic attacks आते हैं, random thoughts आ जाते हैं जो आप रात रात भर सोचते हो, जिसकी वजह से आपको नींद नहीं आती, आपको खाना खाने का मन नहीं करता, आपको लोगों से बात करने का मन नहीं करता. If something that is happening to you, don't take it as a depression. Don't tell yourself कि you are depressed. Don't tell other people that I'm in a depression. No. So my point is, deal with these problems naturally. Don't go into drugs, don't go into alcohol, don't go into medicines. Overcome these problems naturally by talking to yourself, by working out, by performing yoga, by meditating, by listening to good music, by investing in your hobbies, like investing time in your hobbies. Just be the best version of yourself. That's what I can say. Okay, so I think I've said a lot for today, and we shall meet next Thursday now. Until then, stop the hatred, keep loving people, keep spreading love, stay positive.